I'm Cara Castronuova, and as a Golden Gloves champion fighting out of Albany, I've spent my life running these streets. Now with the rise in violent crime, I don't feel so safe anymore, and I find myself looking over my shoulder. I don't want to run away to Florida. I want to stay here in New York to fight for me, my family, my friends, the people I care about, for my district and community, and for you. When I go to the assembly, I'm going to fight for our safety. When I go to the assembly, I'll fight to get rid of dangerous cashless bail. Better equip emergency services and fight for community programs that will empower at-risk youth and women to fend for themselves. Vote for me, Cara Castronuova, to represent you in Albany, because there's nobody better to fight for this community. Vote for me on November 8th, because with me in our corner, we can't lose.